Welcome to EngTech Media, your gateway to engineering and technology. Subscribe now for more innovative content.
Hello everyone, welcome to the introduction of my Facebook ads tutorial. So firstly, this is the first video and this is the introduction. First of all, I will take you through on how to create your page. So this is my home page like this. Once you log into Facebook, this is what you will see. Now you need to come here. You can see this is my arrow here. Or let me use something that's okay. You need to come here. I'll click on it now. So the next thing to do is to click on your pages. Then you can see create page. Click on this create page. It's very easy. So you can look at what it said. So click on get started. You can read up there. You see creating your page, so you can read up that yourself. So yes, it said by clicking get started, you agree to the Facebook page terms. So click on get started. Here you put your name. Alright, I'm going to call it online marketing. So I'll hit on next. Set add category. So you type your category here. Click on add category. Digital creator. So you can add more categories. Just click on this this category, sorry. Just click on this category to add category. Here is what you click, so you can add different categories. So now I pick digital creator. I click on next. So wait for it to load. It's not be very bad. Alright, add website. Okay, what I'll do now, I'll click on skip because I don't have it. Okay, let me just add something. Let me just add my website. Right, so that's my website. Click on next. Alright, now it's asking me to put my photo. As I choose photo, so basically you have already created your page. As you can see, this is the last part. Here you click on, you can add your image here. This is your page profile photo. So like this is how you create your page. Or you can also skip. I can skip on it. Just skip. So now you can see that my page is already ready. So here, this is how to create your page. In our next tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to set up your page. Mind you, if you don't want to add your website, you don't have a website, you don't need to do this. You can skip, you understand, just watch the video, you understand what I did there. So instead of me to click on skip, I added my website. So you don't have a website, you can skip it for now. So in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to set up this page.